Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to add and remove widgets in our linear layout with animation. Here you can check when you add some buttons on a linear layout, it will add it with animation, and when you click on a particular button it is deleted as with animation. In Android, to achieve this thing is very easy. So for that I have done my setup ready for you. If you don't know how to use option menu in Android, you can check my earlier video where from where you will learn how to use a menu in Android application. And for that I have created a menu item and create a layout ID where linear layout ID is root and menu item ID is add. Okay, so first of all we need to add a tag which will enable our animation on layout change. So its name is animation layout changes true. Okay, and now we need to inflate our menu. So menu inflator dot inflate r dot id r dot menu dot main menu and menu. Okay, so and we attach a listener when our menu item is clicked. So we will check add menu item with add ID is clicked, then do this task. Okay, and here we will write a function to add button, and for button we need to generate some. For that we need to pass a title or differentiate each and every button, or based on past title it will set to button. For that, first of all create a button object. Okay, and pass activity context as this and set a title with button. Test is equal to title. Okay, and button dot test title, and here as well you need to add a creator button in our layout root then button. Okay, as well as we need to attach a listener and set on click listener. When it's done, then we will remove this from our root layout. Root remove view IT. Okay, so for title we need some title, so we'll take fruit names is equal to list of fruit name string name apple mango banana Okay, and papaya and lychee or plum, orange, orange, pineapple. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to generate a random number. When so here value random index, for that random dot next index until 7, and we get a title for that fruit names to random index. Okay, and add a button, call the add button title. Okay, now run your program to see the output, it's working fine or not. So in this video you will learn how to make our layout aware or container aware, so that it can add or remove item with animation. And we also learn how to add and remove items in layout through programming. Okay, here you can check my item is added, and when I click this it's removed with animation as well. Okay, so you will learn how to attach a listener here. If you don't know means how to use menu item and what is the purpose, you can see my earlier videos for option menu in Android. For this video, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share and like my videos. If you have any specific requirement, you can share with me. I will try to make the videos on those topics. Thank you very much.